and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna make zucchini and bechamel casserole. This dish is really simple, very easy to put together, and it's very delicious. As usual, all the ingredients and the measurements will be listed down below the video in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. First, I'm gonna prepare the beef filling. So I have a skillet here, it's on medium heat. I added to it some olive oil, and when the oil gets to the right temperature, I'm gonna add the chopped onions. I'm gonna saute them for a few minutes, just until they start to develop some color and cook down a little bit. You can also add a pinch of salt to help it cook down. The color of the onions is perfect. Now I'm gonna add the beef. I have here some minced beef, and using my wooden spoon, I'm gonna break it into small pieces, just like so. At this point, I'm gonna add some spices. I have here some cumin, some sweet pepper, and some paprika. You can also add some salt here to adjust the flavor. Now I'm just gonna continue to cook everything together. Make sure that the meat is fully cooked and the water is evaporated. And with that, the beef mixture is ready. Now I'm gonna move on to cook the zucchini. So in a skillet on medium heat, I'm gonna add some olive oil. And once the oil comes to the right temperature, I'm gonna add the sliced zucchini. I'm gonna saute them for a few minutes. Make sure that they cook down a little bit and develop a nice color. You can also add a pinch of salt to the zucchini to help it get rid of the water. And as you can see here, the zucchini have started to develop a nice color. Also make sure that it's soft and all the moisture has come out. At this point, I'm gonna add some crushed garlic. If I add it at the beginning, it will burn. That's why I added the garlic at this point. I'm also gonna add a sprinkle of dried oregano. You can add some dried mint if you like, or dried basil. Now we wanna give everything a good toss. Cook it for an additional 3 minutes. Make sure that the garlic is nice and fragrant. And now they are ready, we can put them aside. I've also prepared a quantity of my bechamel sauce. I'm gonna use it in this casserole, and I already have a recipe for that on my channel. I'm gonna put the link for you down below the video in the description box. So now we have our 3 mixtures ready to be assembled: the zucchini, the bechamel, and the minced beef. So in a baking dish, I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of the bechamel sauce in the bottom, and I'm just gonna spread it evenly, just like so. After that, I'm gonna put the zucchini. I'm gonna put it all at once, but just make sure to spread it evenly. So that's looking perfect. Now I'm gonna add the minced beef all over the zucchini as my second layer, and make sure to spread it evenly. And last but not least, I'm gonna add the bechamel sauce and spread it evenly over the top. Make sure that it covers all the beef. And finally, I'm gonna add some shredded cheese. I have here some mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle that all over the top. Now this step is optional, but of course it's more delicious with cheese. You can also put another kind of cheese if you like. Now I'm gonna bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's about 180 Celsius for about 30 minutes until it's bubbly and golden brown, just like so. The smell is amazing and it looks really delicious. Make sure to let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes before cutting into it. And make sure to get rid of the moisture from the zucchini while you cook it. Otherwise, the casserole will be all watery and liquidy, and that's really not pleasant. It will ruin the whole dish. So just keep that in mind. So my lovelies, that was it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and find it easy. I hope that you try it. I'm sure that you will love it. And finally, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Bye!